very good morning to all. This is Sachi Goyal and welcome back to my Mumbai vlogs. Guys, we are going to Matheran today. It's 4:30 in the morning. Matheran is the smallest hill station of India, and most important thing that it is the automobile free hill station. That is no automobiles, no human are leaving so early because of two reasons. Number one, we want to catch the sunrise, and number two, the weather is comparatively cooler. So enjoy my vlogs and do come to Mumbai. It's really nice place. So मिर्ची रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन ना हमारे यहाँ कितना मिलता है. Hey everyone, we have reached Neeral station, from where we have booked a cab towards Matheran, and it costs 80 rupees per head, and if you want to go personal then it will be 400 rupees per cab. Guys, we have reached Matheran, now bought tickets and we are going to start the trekking, so let's go! Guys, this is really a very beautiful place. So green, so calm, so quiet, mesmerizing. I think ये summer में इतना beautiful है, तो winters में और rainy season में it would be like out of this world. Seriously. So if you're coming to Mumbai, then do visit here. बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ. Trying to motivate us to complete the trek. And ये stick अगर हमारे ऊपर कोई बंदर अटैक करने की कोशिश करे तो हम उसको ऐसे मार गिराएंगे. This is the Edward Point, and the view is so haunting. Hello, sweetie. मेरे पीछे पड़ गई है ये तो. Now we are going to the honeymoon point. Honeymoon point. Called honeymoon point because of honeybees and not for anything else. So let's see how the view is. My God यार, ऐसे जंगलों में मैं कभी भी नहीं आई हूँ. पहले हाथ देना, दूसरा भी देना. Now we have reached the final viewpoint of Matheran. This is the lake viewpoint. ये मेरी प्यारी दोस्त. We are done with the Matheran. Now we are going back, and this time we are going back via toy train which runs at 3:30. It takes 3 hours to reach Neeral station. So see you. Bye bye. Bye. Have a nice day. मेरे शूज येलो से ऑरेंज हो गया। मुझे लगता है मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे शूज